affordable living in desirable Upper Lonsdale. Kings Court is a small 19-unit self-managed building with low maintenance fees. There are no surprises here. The building is meticulously maintained and has undergone a complete remediation in recent years. This quiet, spacious two-bedroom, two-bathroom home with ensuite laundry is located on the northwest corner and has been updated throughout. The living room and dining room is spacious enough for your furniture. It has been updated with new laminate flooring and paint. Completely updated 4-piece bathroom with new soaker tub and backsplash and vanity with granite countertop. Updated kitchen with new cabinets. Kitchen has an eating area. Dining area with gas fireplace has access to the sliders which leads to the upper balcony and lower patio. Updated 3-piece master bathroom with walk-in shower, ceramic flooring and vanity with granite countertop. Just a few feet to transit and a half a block to Queensdale Organic Market, 7 to 11, Holy Trinity Church, Lonsdale United Church and Queen's Cross Pub and Restaurant. Bremer Elementary is just a short 15-minute walk. Carson Graham Secondary is only an 18-minute walk away. For more information, please contact either Earl McDonald or Dana Panchyshyn at 604-984-9711.